I can read your mind, and I know your story. I see what you're going through, yeah. It's an uphill climb, and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you, yeah. Don't surrender, 'cause you can win in this thing called love. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's lifting out, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is. When you question me for a simple answer, I don't know what to say, no, but it's plain to see.
Happy birthday, Tito Nico!
Hi Nico! Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi. And sana makapag-picture tayo sa brand new iPhone 16 mo. Bye!
Hi Nico, happy birthday. Balita ko, may bagong sasakyan ka na. Kailan mo ba ako papasakayin dyan? Sundin mo naman ako para mapangan chicks na tayo.
Hello po, Nico. Happy birthday po. Pwede daw pasakay sa Toyota Rizzo.
Happy birthday, Sister Nico. Grabe, 27 years old ka na. Sobrang fresh pa rin. Sobrang fresh. Sana ma-achieve mo yung personal record mo sa pagtakbo and feeling ko makakasakay na kami sa bagong race mo. Yes! Happy birthday, sister!
Happy birthday, Nico! Kailan mo kami papahiramin ang bago mong phone? Hi, Nico! Happy birthday! Salamat sa mga pinagsamahan natin. Sana masaya kang ngayon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nico! Balita ko, meron kang bagong phone. Tsaka sasakyan. Parang kang tanga. Bakit may bago kang ganun? Kasi birthday mo. Eh, di-deserve mo yun. Happy birthday! God bless pa! Bobo ka eh. Happy birthday! Sana hindi mo last yan. God bless.
Hi, Nico! Happy birthday! Pasensya ka na, hindi ako makapunta sa birthday mo, no? Yung gift mo, later na lang. Thank you!
Happy birthday, Sister Nico. O, 27 ka na. Maging practical ka sa mga gastusin mo, lalo na may monthly ka pa na Toyota Race dyan. O, balita ko, meron ka pang birthday gift sa'yo na Palawan. Sana mahanap mo na yung the one mo dyan. Happy birthday, God bless!
Happy birthday, Sister Nico. Pahingin bake sushi. Panghanap mo na ako lalaki, ah.